Hello lovelies, so this video I'll be showing you on how you can achieve this beautiful silky looking bundle of hair with attachment, that's braiding hair. Yes, you can achieve that. So if this video is of interest to you, please keep watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. You're welcome, all subscribers. God bless you. Thanks for coming and checking on me. So first thing you have to do is cutting your attachment into your desired length. May I cut mine to like 2 and into 3, so you can cut it to your desired length and stretch it out. Please stretch it very well and comb your hair. Please comb it very well to avoid tangling. The combing is the only way that will help you not to have like tangled hair. Do you understand? So this is my bowl hot water, and I'm just going to soak my braiding hair inside of the water. So you just soak it and soak the hair, let it soak inside, and make sure every part of the hair has gotten what little amount of, I don't know how to explain, but you know how to soak something inside hot water, sha. You understand? So just soak it, then allow it to settle in, then you just take it off. You understand? You just take it off and hang it to air dry. When you're done, this is the wefting process on how to make your bundles now. Making of bundles proper. You understand? So you just take a very little amount of your hair and just do what I'm doing. You see, create a hole and just take the hair in between and bring it out. It's very simple to achieve. And please, one thing I must say, do not use do not mix up too much of hair. It's going to make your bundle very bulky, and it's going to consume more of your hair. Do you understand? So please don't take too much of it while doing it. Like I said, just create a hole, then you pass the two sides of the remaining hair inside of that hole and just drag it to the end. Just watch it and you will get it. You understand? You keep doing that and you have your full bundle. Before, like, okay, the rope you're saying here is like you tie a rope like through like 3 to 5 to 6 strands of normal thread to a place that you know you're going to be comfortable working. Like me, I made use of my shoe rack. You can make use of a chair, a table, or a protector, anywhere at all to tie the thread to the two ends, and that's just it. Then you pass your hair on the tied thread. That's how you do it. So like I said, please don't take plenty amount of hair. If you do, you're going to see how it's going to come out. It will waste your hair and it will not give you a longer bundle like the way you feel it will. So what we're doing here is just like you tied a knot, so you're going to seal that knot using your straightener to seal it. You understand? Be careful not to burn your bundle you've done. You understand? Be careful. So you just seal those knots so the knots will not get loosened. You understand? The next thing is the ironing process. Please let your heat be very, very low. Very, very low. If not, God, I beg you, very low. If not, your hair, everything you've done is going to be wasted. So please let your listen be very low. Your heat up on your iron very low. Iron it till you see that the hair is now looking very straight and fine like it is now. You understand? So just iron your hair on low heat. Don't be in a rush. You understand? Do it. Iron it in low heat till you get to this stage. Do you understand? You can see the hair is already looking beautiful. Our bundle is getting this is our hair bundle. Like, you can sew this to any wig cap now and you're good to go. Instead of crocheting your hair and having bumps and all that, you can do this and sew your hair to your wig cap like a normal weave, normal human hair, and this is it. You can see how beautiful it looks. So if you're a big wig maker like me and you have a straightener and you have these other tools to use to make your hair, if your ironing process is going to be too stressful for you, you can make use of your straightener to straighten your hair, like still very low. You can on it. Like what I did was I put it on, like leave it for some time, then I use it. Let it not be hot, and if not, it's going to melt your hair, and that's going to be wasted effort. So please, 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 low heat iron or low heat what straighten your hair, and that's just it. How you get it, you can see how the bundle of hair is. Like you can pin it, you understand, and you can do everything like normally you can do to your human hair bundles. So you can see how beautiful it looks already, even straightening it. So you can use either iron or straightener to achieve both. You can use both of them to achieve same results. They look same. So just iron your hair or you straighten it, and this is it. So this is the ironing, this is the straightening method, the result of it, and you can see they all look same. Do you understand? So our bundle of hair is ready, and it's what is beautiful. Beautiful. I'm going to show you all how the bundle and the closure looks at the end of the video. Like, yes, I'm going to put it here. So this is how the bundles and the closure looks. You can see how beautiful it looks. I promised to show it, and I said let me show it here. So please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. God bless you all, and I love you all.